right, so and then what we're going to do, so now we're in Augusta, Georgia, and you could see, right, that we're like, once you zoom out, Augusta is kind of, here's the downtown area. So when you look at Augusta here, like this area, we're right outside of like the primary market. Like it's just right in the South Augusta area. But this, I would consider probably the 520 to the 20 would be probably inside of be like primary market, right? Now, every city has a different size primary market. All right, so we have another facility in Valdosta, Georgia, which is a population of around 75,000 people. They have a downtown area as well too, but their downtown area is like very small, very small. And the one thing I love about Valdosta, which is this like it's a town of 75,000, is that like there's well actually we could pull it up and see, but I don't see like a lot of primary market facilities there, right? I did see like Federal Storage is there. Federal Storage is more of like a secondary market type of facility. Once you really start to get to know your area and get to know who the players are, you're going to start to recognize the same types of facilities over and over. And there's like a handful of like, you know all the REITs, you know all the big ones, but then there's like a handful of like secondary players. You know what I'm saying? That's like 10 Federal Storage is really kind of like, they own like, I think 20 or 30 storage facilities and they've got funds and all this stuff, but they really focus on those smaller facilities, not too small, but kind of smaller facilities. Whereas like, CubeSmart and U-Haul, they go out and they build these like huge, big box facilities and stuff now a lot of times. So that's why like playing around with going on to Google Maps, right, and really just going in here and just clicking this nearby, right, and saying storage near me, right. Now you can see too for ours, which is 2218 Rosier Road, there is nothing here. There's like nothing. All right, but we'll do like storage near me, and then we'll look it up and we'll just see kind of like what happens. And so you could put your address in and then you'll see. So these are all the facilities. Like I told you, there's like 10 facilities within this area. It's like a 3-mile radius. And so what you're going to want to do is really just like get to know who's out there. And you could do that by just looking here, so we can see like storage zone is here. You can see there's a public storage, CubeSmart, economy self-storage is like a dumpy old storage facility. Public storage is here. Now when you click on, like when you start really looking, don't just look here at the map, but really click on and say, okay, like there's a public storage here. Let me look and see what this one looks like. And then you can click on it and start looking to see like what kind of facility is this? It got some boxes there. It's all red. They got a lot of red. It's fenced in the back. It's kind of a cream color. It's really nice. Asphalt, storage facility. These are all probably just like, what are they called? Stock pictures, these things. But here's the keypad here, right? Here's another stock picture. Here's another stock picture. I'm guessing, yeah, that's definitely a stock picture. Inside, right? They've got some boxes and stuff. Here's a keypad, right? Here's what it looks like. It's all fenced in. Look at this really nice fence and stuff. So you really start using Google Maps to educate yourself on what type of facilities are near you. So here's the economy self-storage, okay? And I'll take a picture of this. Oh, actually, let's go back. So economy self-storage is right here. Now look, now when you start looking at Google Maps, what you're gonna notice is that they should have like the address, the website, the phone number. Now this has a website, but it's emove.com. Let's click on that and see what emove.com looks like. Okay, so obviously it doesn't even work. It's like some random thing that I'm not going to click because I don't want to have spam. Okay, so you definitely want to click on the link to make sure it works. Okay. And then, what I'm saying? And then now this is what it looks like. You see there's something way back here. It looks like it's a long, skinny building. and it's like way back, and there's some back here, and maybe this property belongs to it, right? So it might have this commercial property with all this storage here. Okay, so this is definitely an older one. This is a great one to actually, look at to see if you want to call the owner and see if he wants to sell, as well too. Like for me personally, I would say like, okay, yeah, this is something, but maybe like this would be a good first facility. Okay. And and then you can use Google Earth to really kind of get to know like kind of the area. You see, so you can see here, he's got some U-Hauls here. All right, this is Allstate Insurance. So he rents this out to Allstate Insurance. And then it comes with these buildings here. And now